everyone! So today is Wednesday. Medyo busy ang araw natin today, kaya gusto ko lang i-video from beginning and then mga activities ko and namin for today. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa work. Work muna tayo. Lunch break muna tayo from work. Kaya mag-gym muna tayo. Usually ginagawa ko mag-gym at least minimum of 2 days per week. Yeah. Ayun, so kakatapos lang natin mag-gym. Balik na ulit tayo ngayon sa office until 4:30 ang office. See ya! We pick up the girls.
Pick up? I'm sorry.
I picked you up, diba? Because we're going somewhere. Ate, wake up now, we're here.
The piano.
Piano time. You said carefully. See you later. Alicia, we're here. Alicia, come here. I need to fix your hair. Careful, huh? Careful with the car. What do I do on free time? I don't have free time.
What do you mean?
Only minutes while waiting for
What
you.
are you doing?
Cell phone. Here in the car. Why? Your schedule is very tight. They're close to each other. Dropping off Alicia and picking you up is a tight schedule because I only have 15 minutes to drive to get you. But now, we have time.
So you have to like do straight.
Ano do?
So what?
Pag drop kay Babalish, alis na ako agad kasi I need to pick you up.
It takes that long?
Wait lang.
I mean, just drive here.
Syempre, consider the traffic, the cars, I mean the everything. Jesus. Goodness. What's wrong, people? Oh, like that. Traffic. People can decide where they need to go. Another teacher?
Yeah, I don't know what's her name.
So tired, they were going somewhere pa.
Huh?
Diba? Kuya has game.
I don't want to.
Ay. How's the dance? Alicia? Good. Puro good. Good. Everything good. How's the piano? Good. Everything good.
Yes. Stop.
Hi guys. So 7 o'clock na. Punta kami sa game ni Kuya Andre. Wala pa nga yung team na isa, di ba?
Oo nga.
Sa uniform lang nakita natin.
Girls,
Right on the
seatbelt.
Harvest Gold Heights Northeast.
Kaguhin na paharutan na yan.
Over mishandle with the hold and the
Tapos Kuya. Ayun o. Kuya! Ayan na.
Nirinig yan. Wala, ayaw na mamansin yan. Ay, tumingin o. Ay, ay,
Ay, Kuya. Say hi to them.
Grace!
and thanks to these referees, they work hard all night long.
Ayun na nga yung mga naging ganap ng Casa Estrada today. So medyo maraming drive yung ginawa ko. Busy yung mga bata sa school and then other activities nila. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Bye! See ya! But before that pala, sunduin muna natin si Kuya Andre sa school. Ano Kuya?